Like when we completed our engineering, it's the last thing that we want is only job. So it's here we get that job means it's ultimate thing. So it's the KodNest was the one that helped me. I am Chandrika SK. I am from SLN College of Engineering. Basically, I am from Koppar. I have placed in Digit Insurance with the package of 4.5 lakh and Bangalore location. And I have joined KodNest on August 2022 CSR batch. When we are in college, we learned everything, but quite tough to get into job, like dream job. It's the KodNest is the one which helps us to get into this job. It was quite hard, like I am basically from village place and like looking at this, can I get into place or what? So I thought all that, but now I got a confidence after that and get into my job. The teaching here is everything is from scratch, and they also teach us real world examples, problems that helps to crack the exams and all. They paid their concentration on each and every student. It helps us to concentrate on our studies. They have taught us everything. Since I have got placed in Digit Insurance, which is a back-end company, which it mainly focuses on Java. So they have I got questions mainly on multi-threading and encapsulations, like basic concepts and OOPS concepts of Java. It is very different from attending the classes from colleges, and it is everything here is programming, so it is very different. For every concept, they used to take examples. Whenever we get a problems on like any queries about the placements, they used to immediately reply for the problems that we have. So there is no delay in waiting for that procedures. I have applied more than 25 to 30 companies, but got placed on this. Like when we completed our engineering, it's the last thing that we want is only job. So it's here we get that job means it's ultimate thing. So it's the KodNest was the one that helped me. Like everything here is different. The teaching, everything, the staff and everything. So it's a good place to learn and enjoy at the same moment. So.